What's up, sweeties? It's TeeElle, and I'm back with another one. Hit that subscribe and hit that like button. Thumbs up the video. Come on and join the fun.
Cause I'm crazy and I'm sexy and I'm cool. Little rub around the edges, but I keep it smooth. I'm always left the center and that's right where I belong. I'm the random man and don't you hear it major song that I like that.
Welcome or welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the title and the thumbnail, I'm back with another Dollar Tree DIY project. Yes, I am back, honey. Give me a thumbs up just for that, okay? Just for being back. I took a nice little break, but it's time. So we're going to go ahead and get started with this project. I'm making a Dollar Tree DIY Halloween-themed fruit basket. Super duper cute. I have a pair of scissors, which you don't really need, but I'm going to pop these tags off these items and not pop my nail off, so I'm going to use the scissors. I got some hot glue sticks, hot glue gun, of course, E6000, which I may or may not use. I have some rocks that I had laying around in a vase, which I'm going to use to put in my skull. You see this cute cup, all of it from Dollar Tree, of course. I have this basket here. Okay. And I have some daisies that has little eyeballs in them. Hold on, let me make it so you can see the eyeballs. Actually, no. The daisies got the spiders. Okay, so you see the spider right there? So the daisies got the spiders, and then the roses got the eyeballs. So see the eyeballs? Quick, budget-friendly project. And of course, you're gonna need fruit of your choice, and I chose to get some oranges because I think it'll look so cute with the black, and you know, it's Halloween themed, get into it. Now I know it's August 30th, as you can see, but some people are, you know, really excited for fall and they're just ready for it to, you know, come. So I'm gonna start by popping these tags off. Around this time is when a lot of content creators and you know, influencers go ahead and show you all what's inside the stores. Which I did already, so go ahead and check out that video. The Dollar Tree walkthrough. I showed you guys the Halloween decor and the fall decor. I should say fall and Halloween, but you know, Halloween is just like the main part of fall. But I showed you what they had at that location I was at, which they had a lot of stuff. More than what my location has, but I still love my location. They had some nice stuff too. So I'm going to do this project, and then I want to show you guys another project that is going to be a fall wreath, but it's super duper cute. I seen that idea on TikTok. This one I came up inside the store. If you don't know, I walked around the store and just started picking stuff up, putting stuff together, seeing what goes with what. That's where I get a lot of my ideas from. A lot of my ideas come from my kids, come from TikTok, and just other trending DIY projects that I see online. So I spend about an hour and some change in Dollar Tree, walking around and putting together projects, seeing what they have to offer, seeing what's new. I love these branches, super duper cute. Okay, now like I said, this project's very quick. So I know this cup is all cute and everything, but I'm gonna have to take this top off, and I thought about saving the top like to put on here for the project, but I'm not. So I'm gonna save the top and the straw for something else. Okay, and so we just have the skull here, and what I'm gonna do now is put my rocks inside the skull to give it some weight to hold it down. So let's just go ahead and put them in there. But I'm so glad to be back, y'all. Like, it's been a hot minute. I upload here and there, but sometimes you just gotta take a step back, you know, refocus and do all that stuff. Sometimes we just need a break from everything, like everything in life. Sometimes we ain't got no choice but to keep going. But you gotta find some time to take care of yourself. And take a step back, or maybe not even a step back, just rest. You know what I'm saying? Like, hey, if you work a 9 to 5 or however, whatever you work, take some PTO and, you know, take a self-care day. But I hope all the kids are enjoying school so far. I know in my city, the kids went back to school, so I know in your cities they probably did as well. So let's just pray for a safe and productive school year. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and put my hot glue around this rim. I don't think I'm going to use the E6000. I don't think I really need to. But it's your choice. If you want to use it, it's there. Just have it on standby. I'm excited to be back on YouTube doing my DIY projects. This is my first project in a hot minute. And I am excited. I want to get this a nice clean look. I don't want it to look all sloppy and all over the place. Even though your fruit's going to cover it, but what if the fruit basket starts to get a little low? You start seeing a mess. We don't want that. You can choose to use fake fruit, just so it sits there and it's always full and it looks real cute. Or you could choose to, you know, put your own fruit in there, which I'm putting my own fruit in there. But I may switch it up as the fall season goes on. I might just put some fake fruit in here, or off Amazon, or who knows, maybe I can make my own. Okay, so I want to turn this basket like this and make sure I center it good enough. Okay, I'm going to push down in the middle, and I'm going to go here and just go through the webs to secure it a little bit more. And I didn't even tell y'all in this video, make sure in the comment section you say, hey T, hey, 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 happy Wednesday. Usually on Wednesdays we wear pink, but on Wednesdays now we wear black. Like, honestly, black though is really like one of my most favorite colors. I love black, I love mauve, I love army green. Lavender is my favorite. So you can feel the weight of the rocks in the skull, and you see it is on there. The web is on that skull. And now what we're going to do is kind of play with our flowers a little bit. We can let that dry some more, which it doesn't take long because hot glue doesn't take long at all. And we're just going to kind of mix our flowers up, just so you know it's not like daisies on one side, roses on one side. We want to mix it up a little bit. Okay, we're going to go ahead and bend that so that spider can show. We have another one here. This is just a black spider. This even got the glitter on it. Okay, so we're going to take the branches and kind of just bend them in different directions. Just like so. I know that's kind of hard to see. Okay, and then we're going to go ahead and stick them in our holes through the web into the skull. And because I missed y'all so much, another project that I just thought of real quick, you can leave this web off. Remove your straw and your top from your cup. Cut these branches down some more and just stick your flowers directly into the skull, so it's a smaller little decor item that you can sit on your mantelpiece or wherever you want in your home, on your table, wherever. So let's stick these down. Bend them whichever way you want. Okay, and you can glue around the stem and the web in a cup if you want to, like on the inside, so the flowers don't move at all. or you could just leave it how it is and, you know, pluck them out if you want to and just have the skull in the basket. However you want to do it, do your thing, bald head. Alright, so now I got my oranges here. I'm just going to put them in my fruit basket. And I'm missing an orange because my husband needed one for lunch. But this ain't the biggest bag of oranges, I'll tell you that. See, now it's uneven, but I'm gonna make it work. Let's do it like this. Okay. And there is your super duper cute, quick and easy Dollar Tree DIY project. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. And like I said, you can just keep bending these branches to make it do what it do, honey. All right. I hope y'all enjoyed this easy and budget-friendly Dollar Tree DIY decor project. Give this video a fat thumbs up, thumbs up. Follow me on all my social media platforms. The names are in the beginning and end of all my videos, as well as in the description box down below. Okay. Leave me a comment down below. Subscribe if you enjoy the content and click the bell so you're notified each and every time I post a video. Share, share, share. Are you ready for Halloween? Because I am. And I'll catch y'all in the next video. I'm out. Peace.